So, hi everyone, welcome to the first video in this Sudoku learning series. If you are a complete beginner or you have never solved Sudoku properly before, this is the right place to start. We are going to build this step by step. First step, let us clear up one basic idea. Sudoku is not math. Let me write it down. Second, Sudoku is not math. Okay, it is a logic puzzle. Okay, so what it is? It is a logic puzzle. So that means you do not need addition, subtraction, multiplication, or any kind of things like multiplication, division, or any formula is not needed. Okay, so now let us understand the board. It is played on a board. So Sudoku is played on a 9 by 9 grid. Okay, Sudoku is played on a 9 by 9 grid. Okay, uh, inside this grid there are 9 rows, 9 columns, and 9 small boxes, each of which is a 3 by 3 block. I think I haven't prepared, but let me try to create a box for you guys. Okay, let me see. I think I draw the. Yeah, now I think I have a box. Let me create some lines. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let me take some other light, I would say light shade. Let's see if it works. Okay, so sorry for my drawing. It might drawing and handwriting, but I am trying to be as much authentic as possible. Okay, it is not that great, but I will try. Let me make this little broader. Yeah, this looks good. Let me make the outline also. Oh my bad. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, this looks much good. So as you know, this Sudoku, let me just copy it. Okay. Hmm, copy. I will just paste it here. I'll just paste it here. Okay. Something is not right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's go back here. So this is a grid. If you see 9 by 9 grid, inside this grid there are 9 rows. Okay, let me just go back here. Let me go back to the pencil and a different color. So there are 9, I would say 9 rows. Rows are these, like these horizontals. Okay, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and column also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's how. Now what is the goal? The goal is simple. Fill the entire grid with the numbers 1 to 9. So we have to fit 1 to 9, but there is one important condition, and that brings us to the 3 golden rules of Sudoku. Let me write it down. These rules. It should be little like this. Let me do this way. Okay. So I think I will have to select the pencil. Yeah. Okay. So there are 3 golden rules. Okay. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. What is this? This is like each row must contain numbers 1 to 9 only. Each row must contain numbers from 0 to 9. Okay. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is each column must contain the numbers 1 to 9 only once. Only once is important. Okay. Each column must contain numbers from 0 to 9 only once. Okay. Rule number 3. Rule number 3, which is like each 3 by 3 box must contain the numbers from 1 to 9 only. Each 3 by 3 box must contain, okay, the numbers 1 to 9 only once. Okay, we will see now in a bit, like how I'm talking about. So rule number 1 says in each row. I was talking about this. 1 second. I was talking about this. So each row there should be numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. But order is not the same. And this rule number 2 is talking about each column. Like these columns, they will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Order can be different, but this is the intention. And each 3 by 3 box, which is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They cannot repeat, always once. Uh, Let me say in simple words, like I will write it down again in a simple words, what it meant. Okay, let me select a good color for you guys. 1 second, custom. Let's see. Okay, now let me write it in simple words. A number, a number cannot repeat in same row, in same row. Okay, first. Second, a number cannot repeat in the same column. Okay, and the third one, a number cannot repeat in the same box. A number cannot repeat in the same box. Okay, if I can have a setting, 1 second. Direction of document settings. Okay. Okay. Second, I'm just trying to see if I can have a continuous page. Let me see later. Okay, yeah. So the beginners often make one common mistake. They think they need to understand the whole puzzle at once. So you do not need to understand the whole puzzle at once. I know, like, people will see like whole grid, we will try to solve it very fast, but this is not the way. You should only need to look at a one cell at a time. For beginners, I'm saying one cell at a time. Always focus on a small section, not a big one. Okay, Sudoku is not a game of small logical steps. You do not get the whole answer at once. We will not be able to solve everything at once like this. Okay, we should move like one number after the another, and slowly, because in the starting when we are trying to create a base or understanding of a puzzle, we should take it slowly so that it sinks in, and we no need to depend on some kind of a cheating or others. Okay, now let's look a simple example. If a row, suppose this row already has a number 5 in it. Okay, let me add a number 5. Okay, then like in this row another 5 cannot come, in this column another 5 cannot come, and in this grid another 5 cannot come. These are the three rules which I wanted to tell you. Okay, if another example, if there is a 8 in any column. Okay, so what it means, like, 8 cannot come more than once in a column, 8 cannot come in this row more than once, and 8 cannot come in this box again. Okay, these are the some basic logics which will repeat again and again. This is exactly why the puzzle becomes manageable. I want you to remember just one thing after this first lesson. Before making any move, always check the row, always check the row, always check the column, and always check the box. This is the golden rule. If you build this habit early, you will create a very strong foundation for everything else in this series. In the next lesson, we will learn how to actually read the board properly, because in Sudoku, knowing the rule is not enough. You also need to know how to look at the grid in the right time. Okay. One last advice I would give to my viewers, or like to myself also, if I want to refer to this video for myself in future. At this moment, speed doesn't matter. I'm not like doing a timer on this. Speed does not matter here. Okay, please have a clear mindset here. Speed will come later. We are not focusing at this moment. Okay, so in this lesson we learned that Sudoku is a logical puzzle, it is not a math puzzle. We learned three golden rules, which is like each row must contain 0 to 9, each column must contain 0 to 9, and each box 3 by 3 must contain 1 to 9. I think I did a mistake here, my bad guys. So it should be 1 to 9, not 0 to 9. Okay, I think, yeah, my bad. I just realized now. Apologies, guys. Yeah, 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Okay. Yeah, thank you. So please have a happy learning. Think of numbers 1 to 9. There are many Sudoku puzzles that come daily in newspaper. I read a few newspapers like The Hindu. Maybe I do online or do in my iPad, download the puzzles on mobile. So it builds a mental, I would say, health. a lot. Okay, so without further delay, I will close this video now, and we will see again. Thank you. Bye.